In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can actually get paid cash. These are not going to be points that you need to redeem. This is cash money that you're going to receive right away creating content. And by the way, guys, you don't need to create content. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick strategy of how you can leverage others, people's content and make it created your own with this one. Okay, so this is going to be super simple, super easy. If you know how to copy and paste, this video is definitely for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned, I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can actually earn money just by copy and pasting. Please make sure that you're gonna watch the entire video because I want to make sure that you're gonna get the most with this strategy. And also, guys, at the end of the video, I'm gonna be revealing a bonus, which is gonna be another way in which you can make money online, but that's gonna be at the end of the video. Okay, now the very first website, because we're gonna be using several websites, it's Clearvoice. Okay, you can go to clearvoice.com. This is actually a website that is willing you to pay as a freelancer, so there is no commitment with time. Okay, you are gonna be, have the opportunity to create your own content based on what you know. Okay, and you're even gonna have the opportunity to set up your rates. Remember that you don't need, to create a content. I'm going to show you a strategy how you can do this really easy, really simple, just by copy and pasting. And this is something that is working worldwide. Okay, also, guys, please let me know where are you from and if you prefer to to do things on the computer or if you prefer to do things on a cell phone. Okay, because I'm going to be creating content basically on what you guys use. If you tell me like, hey, no, I prefer something that we can do with our cell phones, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna be creating more content on that, so leave it that in the comment area. Okay, you're gonna be part of the talent network. Okay, so you're gonna see here they have several categories like advertising and marketing, they have finance, healthcare, retails. They have different type of content like blog posts, ebooks, case studies, social proof. Okay, you are gonna click here where it says join the talent network. Okay, freelance job, join the talent network, and you're gonna land here on this page. So basically, this is Clearvoice for freelancers. Okay, they are looking to work with you. This is secure, and you need to create your CV portfolio. I'm gonna be talking more about that in a moment. Okay, now let me show you why I decided like this is a great opportunity. Okay, first, you're gonna have the opportunity to build your brand. Okay, if you're serious about freelancing and about strengthening your CV portfolio, you definitely need to use Clearvoice. They are secure, okay, because you're gonna be part of the talent network. Okay, so they're gonna make sure that you're gonna assign you, clients that are willing to work with your expertise and they're willing to pay your rates. Okay, you can share your CV portfolio, okay, your Clearvoice portfolio, so you can have a better showcase, okay, because you're gonna have like a cool portfolio. I'm gonna show you an example on that in a moment and how you can create your own. This is something that I really like is the fact that you are gonna get paid based on your own rate. Okay, you're gonna decide how much do you want to get paid. You're gonna set your range to see the assignments relevant to you, and that's it. Okay, if people are not willing to pay you what you are actually looking for, hey, that's not gonna be a match. You're gonna have a simple way in which you can get in touch with your customers, and you're gonna get paid really quick. Okay, you're gonna get paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. Okay, so you're not gonna have like any hassle. Okay, it's actually via PayPal. So this is the reason why I decided to show you guys Clearvoice. Okay, now if you are looking to create your own account, you're gonna go to the top, you're gonna put your first name, your last name, and get started. If you have a common name, apparently like mine, yeah, it's gonna ask you like, is this actually you? I didn't have an account before, so it basically wasn't me. It wasn't my picture. Yeah, it was my name, but it wasn't actually me. So I click where it says, no, it's not me, create an account. And you're gonna land here on this page. It says, how would you like to sign up? You can sign up via email. You can sign up and connect your Twitter account. You can connect your Gmail account. I prefer to sign up via email. I actually have a special email address for this opportunity because I want to make sure that whenever I have a customer, that is ready to pay me, I don't want to miss that opportunity. So you can create a separate email account and you can sign up with that email account. Okay, please make sure that it's a valid email address because you're gonna get this email in which you need to confirm your email address. Okay, once you confirm it, you are gonna have your CV, which is your Clear Voice portfolio. Okay, this is a new CV portfolio that I create, so as you can see, it's not completed because I want to make sure you guys that we are going to be following this. Okay, by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I don't want you guys to miss a video. Okay, here you're going to have your name. You can also share your CV, your Clear Voice portfolio as soon as you have it ready. Okay, our goal is that our CV is gonna look like hers. This is Angela Tag. She's a copywriter, ghostwriter, photographer, and she's a writer. Okay, she has her website. Diana, do I need to have a website? Not necessarily. This is her CV, her Clear Voice portfolio. Okay, she has like a really catchy headline about herself. And these are some of the articles that she wrote in the past. Okay, so this is the goal. As you can see, I can share her portfolio on the social networks and it's looked pretty good. Okay, so this is actually how it looks from scratch. This is the final result. Okay, you can actually change the images and everything. Okay, that sounds kind of complicated. Don't worry, CV or Clear Voice, they make it super easy. Okay, here you have your social networks. Here you can change the background. Okay, you can add the categories. Remember that you have like a quick description about her. Well, you can write it here by clicking here where it says edit info, and you are gonna improve your curriculum or your Clear Voice portfolio, right, by clicking here where it says improve your CV. Okay, when you upload your image or your photo, you're gonna have this tick. When you connect your account or your socials account, when you add the categories, the tagline, more about your bio. Okay, cool, fantastic. You can do this really simple. Now we will need to add some content because remember that these guys are really to pay us, for articles. It can be a blog post, it can be an ebook. Diana, how we can do this? Okay, we are going to be using Google, super powerful tool, right? So we're going to go to Google. That's the second website that we're going to be using. And in my case, I'm going to be writing about finance tips. Okay, so I have several websites that are talking about this and are giving tips. Okay, I have several pages. Fantastic. You're going to choose one and you're going to land on it. Okay, for example, I have this one, 7 money management tips to improve your finances. Okay, so I have a really long article, really well written. Okay, so this is nice, this is cool. What you're going to be doing right now is that you're going to be copying and pasting this. Okay, you're going to be copying and pasting this. Let me copy and paste it. Well, now I'm going to copy it and we're going to go with another website, which is called Spinbot. Okay, you can go to spinbot.com. This is an article spinning. It's ready to rewrite your text. Okay, so I can paste the text. Okay, I can let it know like, okay, please ignore this word. I'm gonna click here where it says I'm a human. Okay, and once you confirm that you are a human, you can actually let me confirm that I'm human. Okay, you're gonna click here where it says go, and it's gonna rewrite the text. It's gonna show up here. Okay, it's going to be rewriting the text and it's going to be showing here. Okay, once I have that text already done, okay, I'm going to copy and paste it. It's taking a little bit of time, but we will need to wait. Okay, so let's assume that it's already actually put the spin because it's actually loading the website. I don't know what is taking a little bit longer. Okay, so you need to go to, here is it. Here is my actual text, the one that is rewritten. Okay, I can copy and paste this, and I can go to Microsoft Word or Keynote if you use, or you can use a free tool as Google Drive, and you can create a new, a new document. Okay, so you're going to be pasting it here, and you need to save it as a PDF. So you're going to click here where it says File, and then you're gonna go here where it says download. Okay, and you're gonna save it here. So it's a PDF document. Okay, we're gonna go back to my CB portfolio. Okay, so I'm gonna click here where it says add content. Okay, it's at the bottom. I'm gonna click here where it says add content. Okay, if you have your own blog, you can put the URL, or you can actually upload the file. Okay, it can be a PDF, it can be a JPEG, it can be a PNG, if I give a GIF. Okay, so please make sure that you're gonna be uploading it, and that's it. You are ready, to make money with Clear Voice. Okay, by the way, guys, remember that at the beginning I told you that there is going to be a bonus, another way in which you can make money online. So if you are looking for something in which you can actually make passive income, okay, you are not going to be trading time for money, but you're going to be, making money while you travel, making money while you sleep, you want something different, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the link to my #1 recommendations to make money online. So please make sure that you are actually going to be checking on that link. That's going to be the very first link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.